I think Amaravati Literature Festival is really promising, and I hope and wish and pray that Amaravati Literature Festival has lots of editions in the near future, and may it expand and rise to its full potential. For me, Amravati Literature Festival has been a very pleasant surprise. I'm really glad that I made it here, and meeting fellow writers, fellow poets, like-minded thinkers. It's been very enriching and at the same time very fulfilling. I would like to say to the new generation of the readers that expand your mind as much as possible. At the same time, I think this is only possible when you expand your language as well, because literature today has uh, moved into many disciplines and many forms. So it doesn't have to be only written word, but it can be also unscripted language, you know. So because language itself is very challenging as such, and I think literature needs to flow with the languages and like challenge this notions of what a language is, what a literature is. So expand your mind as much and just go on a adventure and rediscover yourself through literature. Amravati is a new city, which means there is a lots of room to explore ideas, thoughts, imaginations, and expressions. So, Literature Festival gives the chance, that platform to explore these fields and also to rediscover your own expression, whether it is personal, political, or anything. So, for a place like Amaravati, which is very new, I think this is a fresh new beginning, a fresh new chapter, and it has a long way to go, and may it continue doing so with the help of the artistic community here, and may it thrive further. So I came to know today that SRM University has taken the entire responsibility of conducting this festival, and I think they are very generous with the way they have organized this in such a beautiful scale, especially making it really hospitable and as well as really comfortable for all the guests who have come on board to be part of this festival. So I wish them very well and all the best.